Okay, good morning everyone. This will be a quick one, literally, because my network has been bad and I don't know, but we'll do it. So good morning and welcome to my channel. So this is my first video on Forex actually. My network has been very crazy lately. So but I'll be having in mind to like teach about Forex. If you are new to Forex and this is your first time, or let's say you've been in the space for some time and you don't know your way around it, okay, this video is literally for you. Okay, so this is our chart, and I like, whenever you are whatever you are trading, be it index, be it crypto, be it Forex, just have it in mind that your analysis should be on higher time frame. So the higher time frame I mean here is weekly, 4 hour and 15 minutes for your entry. So I think that work perfect for me. It works perfect for me. And I don't know for you, but whatever you are doing, your analysis should be on higher time frame. It gives you the clearer view of what you're trading. It's not like you're just trading blindly and all of that. Okay. So this is our chart. I pray this network helps us. I don't know. I pray it helps us. So here we are. What we do first is marking out our resistance and support. Resistance and support, I mean where the market gets to, and people wants to like buy, and where it gets to, and people wants to like sell. You have to know these things because it will go a long way in helping you in your trading journey and all of that, right? So let's mark out our resistance and support. So I wouldn't like to like talk more of um past events. So I really don't do more of past events, although it's very important at least for new traders, because past event helps you to like know what has happened before and what could possibly happen. You understand? So this is our resistance. So resistance is a place where market gets to and it starts coming down. Like the market will respect that zone. It gets there and it starts coming down. And support is a place where the market gets to. People wants to like buy. Like they feel like, oh, it's low at this point. Let's get in, let's buy. So when it gets to resistance, we can sell. So that is how resistance and support, that's the work for that. Like where people tend to like sell, where they tend to like buy. So knowing that 2 points gives you that idea that, oh, when this is where I'm trading, this is where the market is going. You have to you get that understanding that, oh, this is the movement of the market. Okay, because before you trade, you have to know the trend. Maybe it's a downtrend, maybe it's uptrend. So when it is downtrend, that means the market is going to the support zone, like the buy zone. But when it's in uptrend, that means the market is going to the resistance zone. It wants to go and test that zone that you marked out. Okay, so this is our support zone. Oh, sorry. This is literally our support zone. If you check well, the market tends to like respect this zone very well. When it gets to this area, it started pushing up, got to this area, it pushed up like this, like this, like this, till like that. Okay, so this is our support zone. Let me name it so you understand what I'm saying. Support. So this is our support zone. Okay, so but we don't have anything to do with this support, although it's literally like valid because the market has the gap has not been filled. What I mean, the gap has not been filled. Okay, yeah, it's still a kind of like valid, but then We are not seeing pounds coming to that area. Like we are not seeing British pound coming to that zone anytime soon. So you have to move to where the market is happening, where the market is trading. Okay. So and if you look closely, you will see another resistance, another support here. Okay. So the support here is this. Let me mark it out so you will follow what I'm saying. Okay. So this is it. If you check well, let me write so you don't get confused. Okay. Support. So this is the support zone here. If you check where you see that the market tends to like respect that zone very well. It tested it at this area, this area, this area, and this area. So it is confirmed that that zone is a support zone. Retailers tends to buy at that zone. So they already placed their order. When it gets to that zone, they buy and the market starts pushing up again. Okay. So with this little tips I've shared, I am very convinced that you understand what I'm trying to like say here, and it's very clear like to everybody watching. Okay. So now you've marked out your zones. Now, you know this candle, one candle here represents 1 week. Like one candle, it opens to 12, it opens 12 a.m. on Sunday and closes 12 a.m. 12 p.m. on Saturday. So that means one candle here represents 1 week. And you can't be waiting for a candle for 1 week for you to like trade. Like that's very exhausting. Just like wasting your time checking for a candle for 1 week. So, but then when you mark these things out, it shows you the direction of where what you are trading is going. Okay. Let me long on this. Okay. So this is it here, and this here. Oh yeah. So this is a clear chart. Now you can now use your lower time frame. So the lower time frame I recommend for myself and for you is 4 hour. Okay, let's look at the 4 hour time frame. I don't want this video to be that long because I don't know, my network is shitty and can misbehave most of the time. Okay, so this is what we have on our 4 hour time frame. So if you look closely, you see that you will see that British pound is on a downtrend. The downtrend I mean is coming down, right? Since it got to that very high, to these highs here, that started reversing. Okay, it came down here and it went up, and yeah, it's coming down. It's on a downtrend. So how do you now trade this downtrend? I don't want to talk about past event and all of that, you know. So I just want to make it very simple for new traders to like get in and learn something. So let's use our trend line actually. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is so this is it. Okay, there is a break of structure here. Call it BOS. So there is a break of structure. It's literally on a downtrend and it broke this structure. And this structure it broke the structure to get what? to grab liquidity. If you check here very well, you see liquidity grab around this area. This is a liquidity grab here, and sorry, after grabbing the liquidity, it made a change of character and it started going down. So where is the change of character? The change of character here, I mean, is here. This is a change of character. It started pumping, and at a point it started going down. And this is where it started pumping. And when it gets to this place, we believe that when it gets to this way, it is supposed to go up. But then it broke down this area. I don't know if okay, it broke down this particular area, and that is why we call it a break of structure, because it broke down our expected area that is supposed to like start moving up again. Okay, so now it is confirmed that it is on a downtrend. It is confirmed that it's on a downtrend. Now we missed entering this at this area because we were trying to like get the our confirmation. We missed getting in there, and we missed getting in around this area because we are not even sure if it is on downtrend. Okay, but now we've gotten to know that, oh, it is on a downtrend, and we want to enter into this market. Like I said, 4 hour gives you the opportunity to enter. Okay, so now it broke this area and fill this little gap where you are supposed to like enter, supposed to enter here and write it down. But unfortunately, we missed it. We missed that area, and this is it. So we believe that the market should get back to this area, then we write the market down. Sorry, guys. So we believe when it comes to this area, we should write the market down here. So that is how to trade forex. Maybe my subsequent video, when the network is okay, we can talk more about our entry and all of that. But just this is the setup on how to trade forex without any emotion attached. So with this very simple setup and analysis, I believe you've learned one or two things. Number one thing you should know is don't trade with higher time frame. Why? The market is very volatile. You can lose all your money within few seconds. Okay, so you should be very, very careful trading this kind of market. I don't know. This network is very bad. Good.